Lights on. Okay, now I'm recording. I'm trying not to laugh. This is the room I'm in. Recording the room. There's my dad. I don't know if you can see him moving. He's in the kitchen. My computer. Yep. TV. That doesn't work anymore. The TV. Xbox. There's my toe. Me and my ripped jeans that cost $60. Belly ring. Look, see my hand? Well, you can't really see. But I hurt my little thumb. Actually, big thumb. Well, whatever. And it's in a freaking band-aid now. See how I twiggle it for you? Twirl, whatever. There's my